Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to the lecture number 3. Dear students, today we are going to deals with the study of general characters of phylum Mollusca. Dear friends, if we see the general characters of the phylum Mollusca, the first character is the mollusca are essentially found in aquatic habitat as well as terrestrial habitat, and in aquatic habitat they are mostly found in marine water and few are found in fresh water. The body of the molluscan animal is soft and unsegmented, except in Monoplacophora. The body is divisible into the four regions, namely head, foot, mantle and visceral mass, as shown in figure A. The body is divisible into four different parts: head, foot, visceral mass and mantle. The soft body of the molluscan animal is covered within a hard calcareous shell, and this shell is secreted by the mantle part or region. In molluscan animals, the different types of the shells are found. The shells may be bivalve or univalve, spiral or cone-like, or internal or reduced, or even absent in some molluscan animals. See the different types of the shells are given here: bivalve shell, univalve shell, cone shaped shell, coiled shell, internal shell as well as external shells are mentioned in given photographs. The foot of the mollusca is located on the ventral side, and it is thick, muscular and locomotory in function. The foot of the molluscan animal is variously modified for creeping, burrowing and swimming activities. See, in given diagram, the foot in mollusca is given here, as well as the foot of the chiton is also given here. If we see the head region of the molluscan animal, the head region of the mollusca is distinct and consists of the terminal mouth, eyes, tentacles and other sensory organs, which are clearly seen in given diagram. In Pelecypoda and Scaphopoda groups, head is not present. Mantle, also known as the pallium, mantle also known as the pallium, and it is thick muscular fold of the body wall which covers visceral mass from dorsal side as well as ventral side. See, in given diagram, the central visceral mass is covered from above and lateral side by the thick fold called as the mantle. The dark line represents the mantle. The mantle may consist of a single lobe or two lobes. The body of the molluscan animal is triploblastic. Triploblastic means three germ layers, namely outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm and inner endoderms are formed during embryonic development. The body cavity is also known as the hemocoel, and in molluscan animal the hemocoel is reduced and confined to pericardial, nephridial and reproductive cavities as shown in given diagram. The alimentary canal of the molluscan animals is simple type. In some molluscan animal it may be straight or U-shaped or coiled. The pharynx consists of a rasping organ called as the radula, which is absent in the bivalve. See in given diagram the alimentary canal is represented. It is U-shaped alimentary canal. After the mouth, pharynx is present, and the pharynx consists of the rasping organ known as the radula, which is represented here. The molluscan animals are found in water as well as on land, and those molluscan animals, they are found in water, they having gills or ctenidia for respiration, while in terrestrial mollusk lung is present for respiration mechanism. In some forms respiration is take place with the help of epidermis. In given diagram the ctenidium is given. The circulatory system of the mollusca is open type except cephalopods, and in cephalopods the circulatory system shows some tendency towards a closed system. See in given diagram the circulatory system is represented. The blood of the molluscan animal is colorless, sometimes red, blue or green color blood is also seen in molluscan animals. Hemocyanin is a respiratory pigment which contains copper compounds. Excretion is brought about by one or two pairs of the sac-like kidneys known as the metanephridia, which are represented in the given diagram. These metanephridia communicate from pericardial cavity to exterior by a connection known as the nephridiophore, which is represented in given diagram. If we see the nervous system of the molluscan animal, the nervous system of the molluscan animal consists of paired cerebral, pleural, pedal and visceral ganglia, and these different types of the ganglia are joined by commissures and connectives. Eyes, tentacles, ospiridium and statocyst are the sense organs present in the molluscan animals. See, in given diagram, the nervous system is given, and the nervous system consists of different types of the ganglia which are connected with each other by commissures and connectives. The sexes are usually separated, that means molluscan animals are dioecious, but some of the molluscan are hermaphrodite known as the monoecious. That means both type of the reproductive organs are present in one animal known as the hermaphrodite animal or monoecious animal. Few are protandric. Protandric means their male reproductive organs mature early than the female reproductive organs. The fertilization is external or internal and mostly oviparous, some are viviparous. The segmentation in molluscan animal is spiral type, determinate type, unequal and total. See, in given diagram, the cleavage in mollusk is given here. The development is either direct or metamorphosis through trochophore stage called as the veliger larvae. The veliger larvae is given here. These are the few general characters of the phylum Mollusca. Thank you very much.